Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox not letting you join games. First, let's cover some basic checks. A stable internet connection is crucial, so ensure you have at least 5 megabits per second. Restarting your device and router can often resolve temporary glitches. Always check the official Roblox status page to confirm their servers are running smoothly. Lastly, make sure your account isn't banned or restricted by any parental controls, as this can prevent you from joining experiences. Next, let's look at network and software solutions. Your firewall or antivirus might be blocking Roblox, so adjust their settings to grant the application full access. Make sure your web browser is up to date. Sometimes switching to a different browser like Chrome or Edge can help. Also, disable any browser extensions or ad blockers that could be interfering. For router issues, ensure UDP ports from 49,152 to 65,535 are open. Now, let's dive into Roblox-specific troubleshooting. Corrupted temporary files can cause issues, so clear your Roblox cache. If problems persist, a complete uninstall and reinstall of Roblox from the official website often resolves deeper software conflicts. It's also important to keep your network drivers updated for best performance. Finally, ensure your operating system has all the latest updates installed, as these can include crucial network stability improvements. For more advanced issues, you can try flushing your DNS cache and switching to a public DNS server, such as Google DNS at 8.8.8.8. If you're on Wi-Fi, a wired Ethernet connection can significantly improve stability. If you've tried everything and still can't join games, it's time to contact Roblox support. Be sure to provide them with as much detail as possible about your problem for the quickest resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.